Hey everyone! Welcome to Life Solutions, a place where future healthy billionaires are made. Here we make every day count for you to become successful, wealthy, and healthy to achieve your best life. In this video, we're going to talk about how to save money for beginners. Whether you're just starting out in your career or looking to improve your financial situation, these tips will help you get started on the path to saving. Tip 1. Set a goal. The first step to saving money is setting a goal. Decide what you want to save for, whether it's a new car, a down payment on a house, or a dream vacation. Having a specific goal in mind will make it easier to stay motivated and track your progress. Tip 2. Create a budget. The next step is creating a budget. This means tracking your income and expenses and figuring out where your money is going each month. Once you know where your money is going, you can make adjustments to cut back on unnecessary expenses and redirect that money towards your savings goal. Tip 3. Automate your savings. One of the easiest ways to save money is to automate your savings. This means setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account each month. This way, you don't have to think about it, and your savings will grow automatically. Tip 4. Cut back on expenses. Another way to save money is to cut back on expenses. This could mean eating out less often, canceling subscriptions you don't use, or finding ways to reduce your utility bills. Every little bit helps, and the more you can cut back, the more you'll be able to save. Tip 5. Use cashback apps. Finally, consider using cashback apps to save money on your everyday purchases. Apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, and Honey offer cashback on purchases at popular retailers, which can add up over time and help you save money without even thinking about it. And that's it. These are just a few tips to get you started on the path to saving money. Remember, the key is to set a goal, create a budget, automate your savings, cut back on expenses, and use cashback apps to save money on your everyday purchases. Thanks for watching. For your own growth, for your self-development, and don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance tips and advice. Thanks for watching.